I'm Clive. And here is Hyundai's Palisade Calligraphy, while over there is a fast-moving freeway. Let's see how quickly our average driver can get onto it, by stamping on the pedal all the way to merging speed. That shadow there on the ground is the acceleration of an average car for comparison. Okay, ready? Set. Go! Did you see it fall behind at the start? Its throttle response is noticeably slow, which is also something to watch out for in city driving. 60 miles per hour happens in 6.9 seconds, and it hits merging speed in 8.9 in 46% of the on-ramp. Check it out on this comparison graph. The red line is the Hyundai, the black one is the average acceleration of all cars, and those grey ones show the range of all the cars we've tested. Here's its very slow response at the start, though its acceleration is actually about average until 30 miles per hour. Then it fades a little bit. Its score of 41.8% is perfectly adequate for most people. And, I'd suppose, even the whole family.